Alright guys, so in this video we are going to learn about MySQL view and what is MySQL view and how you can use different queries in that. A view in MySQL is essentially a virtual table that is created based on the result of select query. So think of it like saved queries that can you can use repeatedly without having to rewrite it each time. It does not store any data itself, but rather pulls data from the underlying tables when you query it, right? So this makes views incredibly useful to simplify complex queries, especially when you need to join multiple tables or apply specific filters regularly. You can think of views as a way to encapsulate complex logic into a simple object that behaves like a table. For example, you can create a view to show only certain columns from a table or to hide sensitive information for a security reasons. So we can create a view, right, and to show only certain columns from a table, and we can hide information for our purposes. Views are created with the create view statement. As you know, we have create view here. Create view one as select roll number name from student. And once when we set up this, you can query them just like another any other table. We just need to select all and execute our code. And but if you need to change it structure and remove it using drop view, we can we add create view. You can also do drop view. While views offer lots of convenience and security benefits, but keep in mind that they can have performance drawbacks, and especially when they have involved in complex query. So while they simplify your SQL work, it's important to use them wisely. So as you know, let's try to understand by going to our MySQL workbench. All right, guys. So let's create our virtual view. So for that, create view, right? View, and let's give a name. Let's say view one. All right, view one as and select. I want to select roll number. I want to select name. As you know, we have data right here, date, roll number, name, marks, grade, and city. So let's just hide city from our students table and print other information like marks. And I want to see also, I want to see grade and grade from our table. Our table name is students. Use semicolon and run this code. As you can see, we have successfully execution here. And let's just select from and I want to view my virtual table. Okay, so we can now we will get the data: roll number, name, marks, and grade. See that what we get: roll number, name, marks, and grade. Yeah, this is the way you can create a new virtual table from your existing table. So let's suppose you have one table and it has many details like credit card number or the payment method. So you don't want to show different information let's say you are in a company and you don't want to see credit card information to your sales team, right? Or let's say you only the persons who in the finance department, they can see our credit card information. So these are the this way you can manually create a virtual table in our existing table. So this is the way you can use MySQL view. As you know, we have this concept, and it is very important in our MySQL workbench. Uh, all right, guys. So let's just drop our virtual table. So by writing drop view, uh, we have view one, run this code and select all from view 1. Execute this code and you will see we don't no longer have our virtual table. You can see I already done this. I already get the output. As you can see, we have select from view 1, drop view 1, and select all from view 1. And if you run this, this will give you the execution as a successful here. As you can see, I have 47 number view drop view 1. So our virtual table will be removed, and when you run this code, select all from view 1, it will give you the error that we already the this table is not no longer exist. So this was the purpose of our virtual table.